when we inherited the estate. The first thing your father said was, "You'll never make a go of farming on that land. It doesn't work. It's a virtual biological desert."
There wasn't much option other than a completely different direction.
We were going to tear down the fences, rip it all up, and put all our trust in nature.
It was a hugely radical way of thinking. It's never been done before.
Could this motley collection of animals transform the land that has been depleted? Hello. The outrage it caused amongst locals, the clock was ticking. We needed to see that something really was going to happen. Suddenly, it began to feel totally different.
Everything started to turn.
The earth coming to life.
It was just extraordinary.
The whole landscape was breathing a sigh of relief. You could hear it. Isn't that amazing? It's the stuff of fairy tales. As soon as the conditions are right, these species will find you somehow. Then miracles start to happen.